Hey guys, today let's learn how to install custom fonts on iPhone iOS 16. So if you guys want to go ahead and utilize custom fonts on your new device on your iPhone, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So basically guys, what we need to do first is to of course make sure that we are currently on the iOS 16 software. So I want you to go ahead and launch your settings and tap on general. And once you're here, I want you to tap on software update and see what version of iOS you are currently at. As you see, we are currently at iOS 16.6, so you also got to make sure on your end if you are under the iOS 16 software. Now once that is done, what we need to do next is to actually go ahead and launch, of course, the App Store. Now what specific application we want to go ahead and download? We actually want to go ahead and download an application that is called Fontier. Fontier is basically the application that we should utilize in order for us to actually have this premium and added fonts. So what we need to do from here is actually go ahead and tap on the Fontier application, download it on your device, and of course wait for it to load. Tap on install, and of course once the download is gonna commence, of course you could also, well, look through the specific photos that you have here. But basically once it is done, go ahead and launch the applications, and what we need to do from here is to go ahead and of course follow the on-screen instructions that is on here. So just tap on got it, and what we need to do next is to go ahead and basically tap on the plus icon on the top. Once you're already here, as you see, we actually go ahead and now proceed with adding some fonts or basically creating a collection. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and maybe just type in some random letters, tap on OK, and that's going to be the name of my collection. The next step is to tap on the plus icon again and add Google Fonts as a source. But basically there is going to be some on-screen instructions on here and a quick guide for you to basically not get lost. So from here, let's tap on OK, got it, tap on the plus icon again and tap on Google Fonts. From here, we could actually now choose, of course, specific fonts that we want to go ahead and basically we're going to choose our preferred fonts from the list over here so that we could actually use this for our iPhone device. And what we need to do next, tap on just OK, got it. And then from here, all we need to do is just go ahead and choose the specific font that we prefer on our device. So there is a long list on here, and basically the preference is going to be up to you, and I'm going to leave that choice all to you as well. But in my preference, I'm going to choose maybe this font called Ellison, and let's tap on add to collection. Let's tap on OK, and we could also add some more depending on our liking, but I guess we could also add some more as well. So I'm going to choose maybe this one as well and tap on add to collection, tap on OK, and tap on OK once more. But basically once this is done, we could actually now go back, and as you see, it is now on our collection. It also shows us, of course, some on-screen instructions as well of what we should actually do after this. So as you see, it actually says that tap install fonts to go to the settings app and complete the installation. After that, tap install fonts email to email the configuration profile, follow the instructions to install the fonts, and congratulations, you can now use the fonts in any system. So just tap on OK, got it. Let's go ahead and proceed with what that actually said to us, and tap on install fonts first, and then proceed of course to the browser and wait for this to load. But basically once this is done loading, what we need to do next is to tap on install fonts via email. Send this to our preferred email. In this case, I'm going to choose this email right here and send that to our email. So proceed now and basically wait for this to basically upload through our email. So we got to basically wait for here, and what we need to do next is to go on over to our email address and try to find the specific email that is going to be sent to here. As you see, here's the option for us to install the fonts, and as you see, send this email to yourself, open the mail in the default mail app, and then tap on Fontier mobile app attachment and complete the installation steps in the app settings. So basically we need to open the mail or the mail app that is on our iPhone. So search for mail, and as you see, it should be uploaded right here. Let's actually tap on send, and let's see if the email is going to be located here. Now in the case that you can't necessarily see where that specific email is, you basically have to resend it to yourself. So let's tap on install fonts via email, and let's actually go ahead and enter our email address right here. Let's tap on send, and let's go ahead and launch the email application, and let's see if it is already sent to us. So we actually basically have to see where that is going to be located. It might be located in our junk, also might be located on all mail, but you basically have to double check where that is, and it might be also on sent. It's also not there, but basically you need to locate where that specific email is and basically use that email to download the necessary files. So once this is already done, of course, you can now go ahead and download the necessary files, install it onto your device, and actually use the fonts already. But if you still can't locate that specific place, you could actually go ahead and try to launch it through here and actually download this onto your Files app. So let's actually go ahead and now tap on Save to Files app, and let's actually save this on our iPhone. So let's go over onto a specific folder, and I'll basically save this onto my iPhone device. On my iPhone right here, tap on Save. But once that is already done, we can actually now go ahead and launch the Settings application under General, and let's go ahead and actually tap on the option. As you see, just tap on General right here, and what I want you to do is to basically go ahead and tap on Profiles. So tap on Profiles, which is going to be located right here, but also we have the option called Fonts, which we could actually also access. And as you see, this is where you guys could basically see the fonts installed, and if you did the process properly, you could actually see the fonts over here. So my advice for you guys is to follow the on-screen instructions of the Fontier application so that you can see the fonts on that location and use the fonts for your device. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is Web Wizard.